As of 2011, about 83 countries around the world are using wind as one of their source of energy. The limitation is that the source of wind is not constant in the case of ground wind turbine. However, on the aircraft, we are actually flying on the wind energy itself. Therefore, our idea is to extract the wind energy, store it on board and use it to power our green taxiing system when we land.
On the aircraft, we have ram air turbine. It basically functions like a normal wind turbine. At this very moment, it is used only for the emergency purposes. In our idea, the pilot will deploy the ram air turbine while flying to extract energy from the wind.
As energy needs to be stored somewhere around the aircraft, so this is where the idea of supercapacitors comes in. With high life cycle, supercapacitors store the energy and send it freely to the electric motors.
After the aircraft lands, to taxi it to respective gate, the pilot turns off both of his main engines and turns on the electric motor. Now, the electric motor gets its energy from the earlier stored energy when we deploy the ram air turbine.
We can totally see many benefits from this idea, such as fuel saving during taxiing that leads to the reduction of cost and emission, less engine hours and maintenance, and also comfort for the passengers due to the noise reduction.